Hello and happy Thursday. This is February 24th, 2022, and this is Cloud Drops episode 002, and we are going to do our weekly Kubernetes CNCF rundown. All the latest news and stories inside of the Kubernetes ecosystem and CNCF ecosystem for the last week. So let's go ahead and get going. So this week, and last week, we've had a team up between Snyk and Sysdig. This team up will go ahead and produce a new type of developer and container runtime. Looks like it's a project that they're working on. Lots of good things from both teams. Snyk builds containers that give you insights early in the development process. And so I'm very excited to see this. Sysdig is also a maker of Falco, a open source CNCF project. So if you like both of those projects, stay tuned to that space. Also, KubeCost, which is a Kubernetes tool that allows you to see the cost of your Kubernetes cluster in different types of cloud environments for providers. They just received a $25 million investment. Google also raised payouts for Kubernetes vulnerabilities, and Chaos Mesh moved to incubation in the CNCF. Last week, we also have Jason Morgan from Buoyant doing a on-demand webinar for locking down your Kubernetes cluster and basically using zero trust with mutual TLS and traffic policies. FluentBit also has a first mile observability on-demand webinar from the CNCF, so definitely check that out. And Kubescape, Amir from Armo, has a nice webinar going over Kubescape, if you're familiar with Kubescape. Single pane of glass UIs are very, very intuitive and very, very helpful. Also, there are a couple of stories that came out of last week. Wix dropped a story about auto scaling using CI agents, which was a very good read. And Anas Ulrich, hope I said his name correctly, from Aqua, Urlix, I think is his name. Anas Urlix. Forgive me if I'm saying it correctly. From Aqua, also came out with an article on Kubernetes RBAC full tutorial with examples. There's another good one from Cockroach Labs from Mike Bookham on how to use cluster mesh for multi-region Kubernetes pod communication, which if you are using multi-regions within Kubernetes, this might be something to check out and possibly emulate, and hit them up, get some information. There's a couple other on-demand webinars this week, deploying VNFs with Kubernetes pods and VMs from Platform 9, multi-canary release and load testing from Mega Ease Inc., and deploy a full CNCF-based observability stack in under 5 minutes with Timescale. And last but not least, getting started with GitOps and Flux with Priyanka Ravi of Weaveworks. And that is our Kubernetes CNCF weekly rundown. Thanks for tuning in to Cloud Drops. If you have any questions, I'll put this information in the description at the bottom of the video. And you can also check it out over at our website at ThnkBIG.com/blog. Again, my name is Rudy McComb. I am founder and CEO of ThnkBIG. We are a Kubernetes cloud management and consulting company. And we help companies basically scale up their applications using Kubernetes and help them understand the ins and outs of Kubernetes, ins and outs of service mesh, and all of these different projects. So if you are looking for a partner, if you're looking to solve some of your Kubernetes pain points, give us a call, hit us up. And you can find us at ThinkBIG, ThnkBIG on Facebook, as well as Twitter. All right, have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Peace.